Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Azure DevOps organization, a project, and a repository. You install Azure CLI and sign in so pipelines can authenticate. This avoids permission surprise later. Create an Azure pipelines. YAML at the repo root now. This file defines your build. Once done, push it to trigger the first run. Make sure to choose a hosted agent pool so you don't manage agents yet. This speeds iteration and shows failures quickly so you can adjust the YAML. You now compose concrete pipeline steps. Add a build stage with compile commands, then a test stage that runs unit tests, and a package stage to create artifacts. Use templates to reuse jobs across repos and variables to store secrets. This keeps YAML tidy and secure. Once done, reference your artifact in a release or CD pipeline. Make sure to pick the correct hosted agent image. Ubuntu latest covers most toolchains, and include caching for dependencies to speed subsequent runs. You finish by adding deployment stages or a release pipeline that consumes build artifacts and deploys to dev, test, and prod. Configure service connections for target subscriptions and require approvals on sensitive environments to protect production. Once done, enable pipeline retention and artifact publishing for traceability. If a run fails, check detailed logs, expand task output, rerun the failed job, and reproduce the failing step locally. This narrows down environment versus code issues quickly and saves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.